Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this video we will talk about means how we can speak without fear. As being a new learner, when we start talking, sometimes we have fumble word and also nervousness. Means when we try to talk with front of the people, so we feel very nervous and we feel fear. But today in this video I will break your all fear. I will remove your all fear. I am learner. So when what is happen actually, what is the situation with us when we start talking, exactly what happened that moment. For example, when we start talk with a friend, with a professional person, that time we want to say something. Suddenly, sometime we don't have a word. Sometime we can't frame the word, frame the sentence. But behind all these things, we have a fear. Fear means fear of mistake. Think when you are expert in your mother tongue, but when you start talking with a very high professional person, for example with a army and with a police officer, with a lawyer, with a doctor, we are talking with in a same language. In which language he is talking, I am also talking in same language, but somewhere we feel some nervousness and we also feel some shyness. Due to fear, I can't reply him very easily and very confidently. But when we are talking English language and when we are trying to give answer in English language, that time we have same type of problem. It is natural, it is common, because I am not expert of this language, so automatically it will happen. But you have to be confident, means what I will do, I will speak confidently. If mistake, so not problem, I will learn from this mistake, and next time I will pronounce this sentence or word very correctly. So it is the good way. But what happened in exactly, we have a desire, we want to improve, we want to learn English language, but when we try when we try speaking, sometimes we have that type of problem and we stop, and we think when I will become an expert, that time I will know a reply in English language, that time I will show my ability. My dear friend, it is not possible. You can gain knowledge about harvesting paddy, but when you will not in a field save the paddy plant, you will not have a perfect. You will not have an idea how to save the paddy plant. So by knowledge, you can't become a fluent speaker. You can't gain the confidence. But by speaking again and again, you can develop your confidence. You can gain your confidence. When you will not have a practice, when you will not try to give the answer, tell me how it possible for you to give the answer and gain confidence. You can read, you can write, and you can think. But by thinking, by reading, and by writing, you can't gain confidence of speaking. There is only one way by that you can gain confidence, that is start speaking. When you will start speaking, you will have an idea how to frame the question, how to frame the answer. You will mistake no matter and do more mistake. from your mistake, try to learn. When you will try to learn from your mistake, so that time you are real learner and you will grow in your life a lot. But if you know suppress yourself from mistake, when you will try to hide your potential, when you will try to hide yourself, that time you will find after 10 years same position. Because if you want to become a cricket player, so you have to go playground, you have to play every single day. After a long time you can be a good player. Same, when you have an intention of English language, even you are trying for reading, trying for writing, and trying for no thinking, so as well as try to speaking. Nowadays we have a many more feature: WhatsApp group, Instagram friend, and also Facebook friend, and most, and I like it, that is speed up app. There is the unlimited friend, and you can practice with them before going to job interview, before going to any high profession. You can practice a lot. When you will practice a lot with friend, when you will try to practice, that time you will find your self confidence. This is the only one way, by that you can gain your confidence. Otherwise there is no any medicine, there is no any stick, there is no any amulet by that you can gain your confidence. What happened when I will mistake? For example, when you will analyze my video, then you will find I also made many mistakes during my recording video. I am recording this video for learning. I am recording this video for improve myself. So there is a mistake, so no problem. Next time I will try to improve. Don't think about people, think about yourself, because people don't care about yourself. Everybody are busy in his life, so don't think about much more about people, just think about yourself. How can I learn? For example, if a child think about a pen when he start running, that time if he stop himself from running, I will find a pen. So maybe these children never can't learn walking and running. But he fall again, he stand up. He fall again, he stand up. After few time, he create a balance, and now he can walk, run, jump, everything. There is no any issue. I also want to say you, just start your journey, just focus on your practice and try to give your 100%, then see the result and see the miracle. Don't try to compare yourself with another person, because your journey and his journey is totally different. He started his journey 10 years ago and you started your journey 2 years ago. How possible for you you speak as like him, as like an expert? It is not possible. So just focus on your practice. Don't think about your mistake. Mistake is common, and but one thing is necessary. Okay, don't repeat your mistake. When you are thinking, okay, I spoke this sentence wrongly, so try to know the correct version and try to use it. It is the good learning. Don't repeat the same mistake again and again. So if you like our video, comment, share and subscribe our channel and support us and like. Your support will improve us. Your support will increase our motivation for making videos.